Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin. Yes, see you again and here. Yes, today I want to share with you some of product. This is our valve assembly. Yes, if you interested about this one, please follow me, okay? This is our VCI anti-rust bags. Also in this part, it has the label on it. In the first line of the label, as you can see, is our Shumatt logo. If you want to print with your own logo, contact us. The logo, label, the packaging bag, and so on. Yes, and because we supply the customized services. On this part, it's product code. It's F00ZC01307. On this part, its application eject model number is 0445110439, and this part is a QR code. In the inside part, actually we had two forms of our packages. Let's choose one to talk about it. This one, let's open it. We pack it with oil paper. Well, that's inside. As you can see, we not only sealing the outside, but also sealing separate part. The separate parts, this is a valve cap. For our valve cap, there has a coating with the curved letters. This is a valve roll. For our valve roll, we have different sizes. If you want other sizes, contact us, okay? So much about today's product introduction. Yes, except that Caitlin has 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is clean it with oil. Second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. Let's talk about the warranty. About our product, we have the 6 months warranties. During this time, if you're not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us, okay? That's all the details about today's product introductions. Yes, each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and YouTube account. Yes, also we will have our phone and the WhatsApp contact with. Choose one way, contact us, waiting for your news. Okay, so much for this, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.